Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up emergency fund first with Marcus, complete guide step by step clearly.
Start by assessing your current financial situation. Take note of your monthly income and fixed expenses.
Identify areas where you can cut back on spending.
Set a specific savings goal for your emergency fund.
A common target is 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses.
Choose a dedicated savings account to store your emergency fund. Marcus offers high-interest savings options that can help your money grow. Set up a direct deposit from your paycheck to this account. This makes it easier to save consistently without thinking about it. Determine a monthly contribution amount that fits your budget. Consider starting small and gradually increasing your contributions.
Create a separate line item in your budget for emergency savings.
Monitor your progress regularly to stay motivated. Adjust your contribution if your financial situation changes.
Once you reach your goal, keep the account funded for unexpected events.
Lastly, remember to avoid using this fund for non-emergencies. Building an emergency fund provides peace of mind for financial stability.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.